Got it. Here's a clean 4-minute script only. No labels, no extra explanation, ready to record. What if I told you, right now, people are making thousands of dollars every month using AI tools without any special skills? No degree, no big investment, just a laptop, internet, and the right strategy. And the craziest part? Most people still have no idea this is happening. We are living in a new kind of gold rush. But this time, it's not about land or oil, it's about AI. Just a few years ago, making money online required experience, time, and technical skills. Now, AI has changed everything. People are building income streams faster than ever before. Let me show you how. First, AI content creation. Right now, thousands of people are starting YouTube channels, TikTok pages, and blogs without ever showing their face. They use AI to write scripts, generate ideas, even create voices. Videos are being uploaded daily, and some of these channels are making thousands of dollars every single month through ads and sponsorships. And the best part? You don't need to be creative. You just need to be consistent. Second, AI freelancing. Businesses are desperate for content, emails, ads, social media posts. And now, beginners are using AI to deliver professional-level work in minutes. Something that used to take hours, now takes seconds. People are charging clients for services like copywriting, graphic design, and marketing, even if they have zero experience. Why? Because AI does most of the work. Third, AI art and print on demand. This one is exploding right now. People are creating unique designs using AI and selling them on t-shirts, hoodies, posters, and more. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront cost. You create a design once, upload it, and it can sell again and again. Some creators are making passive income every single day from designs they made in minutes. Fourth, AI automation. This is where things get serious. Small businesses are overwhelmed with messages, emails, and customer support. And people are building simple AI systems to handle all of it automatically. Imagine getting paid every month just to set up a system once. This is not hype. This is already happening. But here's the truth. No one tells you. Not everyone is making money. Because most people watch videos like this and then do nothing. They overthink, they wait, they doubt themselves, and they miss the opportunity. AI is not magic. It's just a tool. The real difference is action. The people making money right now, they started before they felt ready. They tested things, they failed, and they kept going. So the real question is, what are you going to do? Ignore this moment. Or take advantage of it while it's still early? Because one thing is certain, this opportunity won't stay hidden forever. So tell me, if you had to start today, which AI side hustle would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more real ways to make money online.